Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. Today is day 13 of learning yoga from me from zero, from scratch. I hope you are enjoying the process of learning. In case you want to join my regular online yoga sessions, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number that is coming on the screen. Okay, without any delay, let's start the practice. Keep your feet together, head straight, focus on your throat, breathe deep and loud. Now, move your head side to side as fast and as freely as is comfortable to you. Move your head. Now, switch, move it up and down. Now, rotate one clockwise, one anti-clockwise movement. Complete at least 5 rotations and then relax. One clockwise, one anti-clockwise movement will cover one rotation. Breathing normal, natural. Okay, now as you inhale, move your arms up sideways. As you exhale, bring your arms down. Don't hit your thigh, don't touch your head, go as fast as is comfortable. Relax. Next, now inhale, arms up, bend back from the upper body, exhale, return. Inhale, bend back, exhale, return. Next, as you inhale, swing your arms back, opening your chest and shoulder, exhale, return. Now clench your fist with the right hand, hold it back with the left, keep it in the middle of your back. Inhale, bend back, exhale, bend forward. Inhale, bend back, exhale, bend forward. Continue. Switch your arms and repeat. Inhale, bend back, exhale, bend forward. Relax. Now, open your legs as wide as is comfortable, palms on your waist, thumb in front, forefingers back, rolling your shoulders backward. As you inhale, bend back. As you exhale, bend forward. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Now, feet together, arms stretching sideways. Deep inhale in the center. Exhale, bend on the side. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, other side. Keep moving. Inhale, center. Exhale, side. Inhale, center. Exhale, side. Now open your legs, shoulder level distance. Extend your arms forward, fingers together. Rapidly twist back, gazing at the thumb of the back hand. Constant twisting, constant exhalation. Twist, 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 twist. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Relax. Next, inhale, arms and legs open, exhale, close. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Relax. Next, balance with one foot, kick front and back with the other. When you take your leg back, try to hit your buttocks with the heel. Keep the leg loose with which you are kicking. Now, balance with the right, kick front and back with the left. Breathing normal, natural. Next, clench your fist, extend your arms forward, feet together. Inhale, bend down. Retain the breath, come up, rotate your arm back, exhale, down. Inhale, bend down, come up, retaining the breath, rotate your arm back, exhale, down. Keep moving. Now we are going to introduce Yogic Sthula Vyayam Sarvang Pushti. It's a full body movement. Open your legs as wide as is comfortable. Clench your fist, thumb in folded with the four fingers. Take your arms up. Left arm in front, right back. Inhale, pull your body up, twist back. Exhale, bend on the left, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back. Exhale right, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back. Exhale left, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale down, 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 switch arms. Inhale up in the center, exhale, release. Relax. Now it's time to relax in Shavasana. Today you have started practicing Yogic Sthula Vyayam Sarvang Pushti. You will need good time to relax. Just relax. Allow your whole body from head to toe to relax. Do not hurry. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep your entire body loose. I have taught you belly breathing and chest breathing in the past. Let's practice that for some rounds so that you can relax faster and deeper. For belly breathing, you will place your palms on the belly across your navel. As you inhale, expand your belly up vertically. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, belly up. Exhale, slowly belly down. Inhale, belly up. Exhale, belly down. Inhale, belly up. Exhale, belly down. Inhale, belly up. Exhale, belly down. Now let's move to chest breathing. Place your palms on either side of the chest. This time the movement will be vertical towards the chin. Inhale, expand your chest towards the chin. Exhale, slowly bring it down. Inhale, slowly move your chest towards the chin. Exhale, slowly bring it down. Inhale, slowly chest up. Exhale, slowly chest down. Inhale, slowly chest up. Exhale, slowly chest down. Inhale, slowly chest up. Exhale, slowly chest down. Now place your arms back to their places and relax. With this, I conclude today's session I hope you enjoyed the session with me. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comment box and I will reply to you. And if you're liking the videos, do give me a thumbs up, do share your feedback, and if you're new, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos, for following me, for trusting me, and I will see you in the next session tomorrow. Take care of yourself. Keep practicing. Namaste.